Over the years, Mr. Beast, who has more than 400 million followers, has been using a lot of the power of the social media he has. And now he's asking creators all over the world to join the Team Water Challenge, which is all about raising $40 million in the month of August to make sure that every single person in the world has clean water. Believe it or not, but more than 1 in 10 people do not have access to clean water. And you're probably like, what does this have to do with writing? It has nothing to do with writing. But it does. Don't you see that if we support the world and we spread the word with our words and with our messaging, we can change lives. We can give those people the water that they so desperately need. You're probably wondering, like, where's the money going? Is it going to the creators? Absolutely not. Well, every dollar that is donated goes to Water Aid, which is an organization that has significant experience in creating more efficient ways to get water to people. They're creating massive water farms and water delivery systems that get the water that is collected out to hundreds and hundreds of people. They're building solar-powered wells, which harness the power of the sun to create the energy needed to distribute this water to everybody. And they're also doing something that I really love, which is creating rainwater collection systems like this rain barrel here. We're working on hooking ours up to our gutter system so that we can take the water that comes from the sky instead of the water that comes from the tap to water the plants that I have here. If you followed me for a while, you know I am super passionate about butterflies and bees and other pollinators. I have a huge rain garden in my front yard, and I have tons of native plants for pollinators. And what goes along with that? Water to help those plants grow and to help the people that live there, not just survive. And why are we trying so hard to raise so much money? Because $1 can provide 1 year of water for one person. Imagine that, the power of 4 quarters, a single dollar bill. I'm donating to Team Water, and I hope you will too, because I want to see the lives of these people changed, not just for now, not just for the year, but for the rest of their lives. Because when you have water security, food security, home security, you have the security you need to go after your dreams. And every single one of us deserves